Is it the right time to buy or sell Roku stock? In this video, we'll be taking a deep dive into Roku. Our initial report was published on our website on Tuesday, November 28, 2023. And now, we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Make sure to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Take your trading decisions to the next level with our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and get free price predictions and deep analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. As of November 8, 2023, our system has identified Roku as a strong buy candidate, with a score of 7.69. Now, let's dive into the stock's performance during this period. Investors who followed our analysis would have experienced an impressive gain of 29.01% since we first listed Roku as a buy candidate 14 days ago. This translates to an average return of 2.07% per day since it was listed as a strong buy candidate. Based on the current 3-month trend, there is a potential 10.96% change expected over the next 3 months. However, there is also a chance of a return between -37.84% and 10.96%. Looking at the 12-month trend, there is a projected 43.8% change over the next year. This indicates a possible return between -20.45% and 45.93%. In terms of price, it could range from $85.02 to $155.96 after 12 months. Our latest daily update for Roku brings exciting news. The stock price ended at $106.87 on Tuesday, marking a gain of 3.78%. On the last trading day, Roku's stock price experienced a 3.78% increase, rising from $102.98 to $106.87. This marks the 4th consecutive day of gains. It will be interesting to see if this upward trend continues or if there will be a temporary pause in the coming days. During the last trading day, the stock price fluctuated between a low of $102.23 and a high of $107.06, representing a 4.72% fluctuation. Over the past 2 weeks, the price has risen by an impressive 27.27%. The trading volume decreased by 4 million shares on the last day, with a total of 12 million shares traded, amounting to approximately $1.29 billion. It's worth noting that a decrease in volume at higher prices can indicate divergence and potentially signal future changes in the next few days. Looking at the stock's performance over the past 52 weeks, the highest price reached $107.06, while the lowest price was $38.26. Currently, the stock price is 0.18% or $0.190 below the 52-week high. Furthermore, it is 78.22% or $383.89 below the all-time high, which occurred on July 27, 2021, when the price reached $490.76. Analyst ratings. On Monday, November 27, 2023, Cannonball Research upgraded their grade for Roku to buy. On Thursday, November 2, 2023, Needham gave Roku a buy grade but with a hold action. Macquarie assigned Roku an outperform grade but with a hold action on Thursday, November 2, 2023. Bank of America Securities upgraded their grade for Roku to buy but with a hold action on Thursday, November 2, 2023. Pivotal Research upgraded their grade for Roku to hold with a buy action on Thursday, November 2, 2023. Analysts have given Roku stock a general buy rating. The PE ratio is rated as strong buy and the price-to-book ratio is also rated as strong buy. In terms of return on investment, the analysts give the stock a rating of neutral. Today, let's take a look at the signals for Roku stock. We have mostly positive signals in the chart for Roku. Both the short and long-term moving averages are giving buy signals, indicating a positive forecast for the stock. Additionally, the relation between these two signals shows a general buy signal as the short-term average is above the long-term average. In case of corrections downwards, there is support from the lines at $97.30 and $76.47. However, if the stock breaks below any of these levels, it will issue sell signals. On Friday, October 27, 2023, a buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point, and since then, the stock has risen by 89.65%. This suggests that further rise is indicated until a new top pivot has been found. Furthermore, there is a buy signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, MACD. It's worth noting that volume fell during the last trading day despite gaining prices. This creates a divergence between volume and price, which may be an early warning sign. Therefore, it is advisable to closely monitor the stock. Here are some other signals that you might find interesting. Moving Average Convergence Divergence, there is a buy signal. Pivots, there was a buy signal 22 days ago. Bollinger, a buy signal was observed 26 days ago. Short-term Moving Average, a sell signal occurred 13 days ago. Long-term Moving Average, there was a buy signal 19 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal 17 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we can observe the following. Short moving average, a buy signal was identified 19 days ago. The long-term moving average, a buy signal occurred 19 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal 7 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us for more signals. Today, let's talk about support, risk, and stop loss for ROKU. ROKU's stock finds support from accumulated volume at $102.98. This level presents a potential buying opportunity as we can expect an upward reaction when the support is being tested. However, it's important to note that this stock can be quite volatile, meaning it may experience significant price movements throughout the day. In fact, the Bollinger Band indicates that ROKU is considered to be a very high-risk stock. On the previous trading day, the stock had a price range of $4.83, or 4.72% between its high and low. Over the past week, the stock has shown an average daily volatility of 4.19%. Before we begin exploring potential trading levels for ROKU, let's first go over some important fundamental data. One key metric to consider is the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This ratio compares a company's current share price to its per-share earnings. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is either experiencing losses or has negative earnings. It's not uncommon for established companies to face downturns caused by external factors. However, if a company consistently maintains a negative PE ratio, it might suggest insufficient profitability and potential bankruptcy risks. Moving on to other news, the upcoming earnings report for Q4 2023 is scheduled for February 21, 2024. Analysts' consensus estimates for this report stand at $0.650. It's crucial to keep a close eye on these figures, as they can significantly impact stock prices. Today, we'll be discussing potential day trading levels for ROKU. When analyzing the stock, we find that there's no significant resistance from accumulated volume above. This means that under the right conditions, the stock could experience a swift upward movement. If you're considering entering a position, using volume as an indicator for when to exit could be beneficial. On the downside, ROKU encounters its first support level at $102.98. If this support level holds, it could present a good entry point for traders, with the anticipation of a rebound in the stock price. According to multiple analyst sources, ROKU has received a combined average rating of buy. Now, let's delve into some recent insider trades. The most recent insider trades involved Kat Skeeton, who bought and sold a total of 21,410 shares or options in the company. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we have determined that the insider power is positive, with a ratio of 34.124. In the last 100 trades, insiders have purchased a total of 994,133 shares and sold 470,907 shares. In order to minimize potential losses, we recommend setting the stop loss at $103.66, which is a decrease of 3.01%. This particular stock experiences significant daily movements, resulting in a higher level of risk. Additionally, the RSI 14 is currently at 85, further increasing the risk associated with this investment. We have identified a buy signal from a pivot bottom that was observed 21 days ago. Is ROKU stock a good buy? ROKU has shown several positive signals and is currently in a strong upward trend. As the saying goes, let the trend be your friend. Considering these factors, we believe that ROKU is a good choice at its current levels and we anticipate further gains in the next 3 months. Upon analyzing the volatility and movements of the last trading day, our systems have determined that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Wednesday, November 29th, we expect ROKU to open with a decrease of $1.48, starting at $105.39. Before we begin, it's important to note that trading carries a high risk of financial loss. It's always recommended to consult a financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Please be aware that StockInvest.us does not serve as the sole basis for your investment choices. By accessing and using the information provided, you acknowledge and accept full responsibility for your own investment decisions. Welcome to Stock Invest. Today, we'll be discussing our current view on a particular stock. We value your opinions, so please share your thoughts in the comments below. We're curious to hear what your target for this stock is as well. And if you enjoy our content, don't forget to like and subscribe. Our team wishes you successful trading and a beautiful day. Thank you for joining us here at Stock Invest.